G'day friends, I'm Andrew Goodall from Nature's Image Photography, and today I'm jumping in front of the camera at the start of this presentation just to give a heartfelt thank you to all my subscribers. By the time I put this video out, I will be passing 4,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, which is way beyond all my expectations. So I really just want to say thank you, and I'm going to put this video out in particular as something special for my subscribers. Now, because so many of my followers are into bird photography, I've decided to treat you to a very special bird photography experience. We've come to Lake Baroon in Mullaney, aka Baroon Pocket Dam, on the Sunshine Coast hinterland. And in particular, I brought you to this tree that you can probably see in the background there with the red flowers. It's a coral tree, and when the coral tree flowers, it brings in all sorts of birds from the forest here. You can probably hear some bird song in the background. This is a spectacular place for spotting birds, but often they're hard to get close enough to for a photograph. But this particular tree brings them out between about June and August each year, and I like to come at least once a year to grab some photo opportunities. So today I'm going to make my third visit this week, and when I've got enough photos and videos together, I'm going to share the experience with you. So I'll be shooting everything on the Panasonic Lumix G9 with the Leica Panasonic 100 to 400mm lens. This is my go-to camera for wildlife photography. Over the course of the few visits, I've been shooting some still photography, regular still photography. I'm also doing some super high-speed pre-burst photography. That's the mode where if you press the button to focus, the camera starts taking pictures right away at up to 20 frames per second. And when you press the button, the camera records all the photos you take, plus almost half a second worth of photographs taken before you press the button. So for those split-second shots, like trying to get a bird taking off from the branch of a tree, if you rely on reflexes, there's a good chance you'll miss it. But with the super high-speed pre-burst, you've got a much better chance of getting it. So with a bit of luck, I'll be able to share some special moments captured using the super high-speed pre-burst. Now, I'm also going to do some slow motion video to really give you a taste of the birding experience you can have, strangely enough, just at this tree for a few weeks every year. So I'll be doing a little bit of all of that and showing you some of the results. Now, I'm not going to go into an in-depth explanation of how to set these modes up because I've already made videos about that. So I'll put some links here so that you can check out the process if you need to familiarize yourself with that. Suffice to say that for shooting in manual, all I have to do is set my mode to manual. If I want to shoot in the slow motion video, I really just have to turn the mode dial to the video M button because I've already set up the parameters of my slow motion video in the menu, and again you can check that video in my playlist. And if I want to shoot the super high speed pre-burst, I just have to set my release mode to the third position on the dial, and it's all set to go. So now I'm going to get into it, take some photographs, take a bit of video, enjoy, and hopefully you'll get a taste of what it's like coming to see this tree and do some bird photography, which I've been doing every year for the last few years. So for all you bird lovers out there, I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen so far. There's a bit more to come. I haven't shown you every single bird that I saw there. I wasn't able to get photos of everything. Some of the birds were in and out so quickly, or they were hiding behind branches. There were some birds that I saw, but I wasn't able to get photographs of them. On the other hand, on the walk to and from those two trees, I had a few good bird opportunities as well. So now to finish off the video, I want to share with you some of the other pictures that I took on the way there and on the way back on my few visits here to the lake. And if you stay right to the very end, there's something a bit special taken in the picnic area just across the way from where I'm standing right now. Something I really never expected to get a decent photograph of. So watch right to the end. I've saved the best for last. I'm Andrew Goodall. This is Nature's Image Photography. Thanks for watching.